Morning, I'm Alison McCaig and welcome to IG's Morning Market Headlines on Friday the 10th of May. Well, I guess the overnight news really came from the Nikkei, which continues to show its fine form that it had been doing all the way through April, and May seems to be another encouraging month for that. I guess a large part of the reasoning behind this must be the continuing weakness of the Japanese yen, specifically against the US dollar, and overnight it broke that 100 level. It is worth noting, of course, that 101.6 is in fact a pretty strong support level back from 2005 and 2000, so may well come to be some sort of resistance level a little bit above. IG clients must be enjoying this, of course. Net position is long 61%. It could also be interesting to see what happens to the rest of the currencies when you factor in that we've had 5 different countries, along with the ECB, who've all cut their interest rates this month alone, Bank of Australia being one of them. UK trade balance figures were a touch worse than expected, and also on the economic data front today we have the G7 conference kicking off. As far as equities is concerned, something I'd like to chat about. BT, their figures are out today, pretty good in fact. Full year earnings were 6.2 billion, just a shade above the 6.1 billion that the markets were expecting, and on the back of that they've managed to increase their dividend like so many FTSE equities, and they've raised it by 14%. So far this morning at about 10 o'clock the markets are showing how much they approve of this, with the share price being up 9%. Especially when you bear in mind the news flow that came out from BT yesterday, of course, in regards to their pricing structure for showing sports on their new channel. This really has put the cat amongst the pigeons as far as the sports watchers in the UK are concerned, and many armchair sports fans will be hoping that some sort of price war really breaks out between Sky and BT. Yesterday, Sky's share price showed how worried the markets were by being down almost 6.5%, and Talk, the other company most likely to lose out in this reshuffle, they were down 12%. For all of this and further analysis, please go to IG's website and specifically Insight Centre. Have a good day.